Hello, third graders. Welcome to our brand new week of vocabulary words. We're in a new unit also, so we're moving quite along here. We are going today to learn about our 5 new words and their definitions. So before we begin, make sure that you do have your vocabulary notebook all ready to go with your boxes. And then let's go ahead and work through what our words are this week. We have 5 words. We have ripe, embrace, irate, legible, and seek. Those are our 5 new words this week. So let's go ahead and get started. Number 1, our first word we have is ripe, R-I-P-E. It is an adjective, so it is describing a noun or a person or a place. And the word ripe means fully grown and developed. Fully grown and developed. We often talk about ripe when we're talking about fruit. So we pick fruit or even vegetables when they are ripe, when they're fully grown and developed. So right now it's strawberry season. If the strawberries are ripe, they're going to be very red and juicy, not green or white. That would not be ripe. So ripe is an adjective meaning fully grown and developed. Our next word this week is embrace. M-E-M, brace, embrace. And it is a verb. It is an action. So you embrace. And it means to hold closely in your arms. When you get home from school, you might embrace your mom, or your mom might embrace you or hold you closely in your arms. If you are scared, you might embrace a stuffed animal, hold it closely in your arms. It's kind of like hugging something. So our word is embrace. It is a verb that means to hold closely in your arms. Our next word is irate, I-R-A-T-E. It is an adjective, so it's describing. It usually describes a person, but it could describe an animal or a thing. And irate means very angry. Very angry. So when the toddler's toy was taken away, he became irate. You can imagine what happens when a little kid's toy is taken, how angry and upset they get. Sometimes you might get irate when someone tells you no. You might scream or cry. Sometimes people even throw things if they're irate. Not saying that's a good thing, but they do. So irate means very angry. Our next word is legible. You have probably heard this word in school before, legible. We have a suffix on this word, I-B-L-E, which is like saying able. Legible is an adjective, and it means able to be read. Think about your handwriting. Some of you have non-legible or unlegible or illegible handwriting. I can't read it. So something that's legible is able to be read. When I do my notes for you to copy, I make my handwriting as legible as possible so you can read it and write it. And our last word this week is the word seek. Those 2 E's say E, so seek. And it is a verb or an action, and it means to search for something, like hide and seek. You hide while someone searches. So the seek part is to search for something. I was seeking my homework before I left the house. All right, so we have gone over our 5 new words this week. They should be in your vocabulary notebook with your definitions. And I will see you tomorrow for our synonyms, antonyms, and sentences.